Welcome to Brown's Rod and Custom, your home for street rods, muscle cars, and Volkswagen content. This is my dad, Big Ron. He's our body man and fabricator. This is my beautiful wife, Megan, our editor-in-chief and supporter. And this is me, Adam, the designer and mechanic for our projects. If you find our videos helpful, like and subscribe for more content.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. Wanted to ask you guys if you could do me a favor. If you're watching these videos and checking out the channel and you like what you see, if you guys could hit the subscribe button for me, we would really appreciate that. We are working our way to trying to get monetized so that we can build bigger and better cars and more builds and so on and so forth and keep doing this. And that would help us a lot if you guys could do that for us. So that's really all I got for you. Really appreciate all of you. Stay tuned. We've got lots of cool builds coming. Lots of things starting to happen on a lot of different cars. So it won't just be the Thing. It's going to be the Thing, the 40 Ford, the Apache. There's going to be a lot of things happening. So just stay tuned, and I will try my best to get you as many videos as I can, including Don's 1957 Chevy two-door post that we're working on. There's a lot going on over there too. So stay tuned, guys. Thanks for everything. We really appreciate you. Have a great night. Good evening, everybody. Welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. We had a really good day today. Kind of a different day. We worked on the Chrysler 300, the 1963 Chrysler 300. It's fun to take the cover off of her and fire her up and get her running. That's always fun. So I was gonna show you the car. But then it started pouring rain and we had to cover it real quick. But what we did do is we got it out of the side yard and we got it into the driveway. And I did get the carburetor adjusted and battery back in it and all the things. The only issue with it right now is it's out of gas. I ran it out of gas. But it sounds really good. We're dialed in for the most part. So Chrysler 300, that's what we got. So Ron had a bunch of doctor's appointments and everything, and my mom and everybody, so I just messed around with that today. Here, I'll show you. Welcome to Florida. So yeah, I'm sitting this far in the garage trying not to get wet. It's still raining on me. But anyway, the Chrysler, we dried it out and trying to get a game plan for it. I think I'm going to order a windshield for it and have it delivered to the turkey run at the Daytona International Speedway Thanksgiving weekend. So I think I'll do that. That'll save me a couple $100 in shipping, and that is a huge step in the right direction. I have all of the other glass. I've got a guy that I bought a rear window seal that goes around the glass, the rubber. They don't make it for this car. They don't exist, but he had one he was parting out 4 years ago. And I paid him, and he calls me every once in a while and tells me that he's getting ready to work on it, but it just never happened. So for my new window seal or used window seal that, you know, yeah. So I'm going to attempt to get that coming, and or at least get my $300 back, and kind of go down that road. But that's where we're at on the Chrysler. The 40 Ford, yeah, nothing's changed. It's just sat here. Same with the Thing. I did call today to that place down the street for an alignment for the Volkswagen Thing, and they don't have the alignment specs to do the 73 Volkswagen Thing. So I'm back to square one on that. I'm actually thinking I might get a hold of Mike and with thingparts.com. I'd imagine that might be something he has laying around. If I could get the specs, maybe they would do it. So might have to go that route. And guys, you know this, every time you try to do something on one of these cars, sometimes it goes right, 99% of the time it doesn't, and you got to get creative. And so, you know, no surprise, the alignment is going to be that. But we'll get it. So we are in a serious debate as to what car to put the time into while we're on vacation for Ron to work on. So this one we could get ready to paint. The 40 Ford, we could get it really close, really knock out a lot of the loose end stuff on it, put this car way down the road. Or we could do the Chrysler, get it in the garage, and save it from rusting away here in the rainy season. So it's, you know, there's what you want to do and what you need to do, right? There's always that problem. So yeah, so there's that. I haven't done anything to the Apache. There's just been no time to do it, really. And it's back over here on the side of the house. I need it to be here, nosed in, so I can take that front off and get to everything. But anyway, I think I've been making up a plan for the Chrysler and what I need to get it, you know, running, driving, painted. And pretty much what I've come up with is rebuild the front end, ball joints, tie rod ends, steering arms, all that stuff. Get the steering box rebuilt, which isn't a big deal, just gotta do it. Put it in the mail and they send me a new one. I need to get the glass in it for sure. I've got a little work to do on the passenger side seat riser. It had some rust on it. We need to repair that, get that fixed. I need to buy wheels and tires. We need to do the bodywork and paint it. And, you know, then it becomes, I mean, again, this car would have been done a long time ago if I could have got the parts, right? So I have some things as far as putting the exterior together. But there's probably $1,500 worth of chrome I need to buy. New headlight rings. They sell them new old stock. I can get a really nice set. I have the grill bar, the spear, but what I need is the emblem that goes in it. The Chrysler 3 that says 300 on it in red, white, and blue. I need that. I have one, but it's, you know, it's terrible. The actual emblem is terrible. The spear is good. I need to buy taillight housings and lenses, and they're out there. That's not impossible. And I believe I've got all the rest of the chrome in pretty good shape. And then, you know, you get down to interior. Do you put a wiring harness in it, or do you make this one work? That's a question. Painless Wiring does sell a Mopar universal wiring kit, wiring harness, that at least the wires are the right colors, it's factory and all that kind of thing. But I don't know, I might check out American Auto Wire and all those and see what's actually out there now. A couple years ago there wasn't anything when I was actually looking to do it. So, but the wiring's not terrible, it just, you know, needs a little love. If we can make the thing work, we can make this work. And yeah, so that's kind of where we're at, guys. Just making a plan of attack. Tomorrow, Megan has off, and I've got an eye appointment, so does she. So I'm trying to get new glasses before I go to Rome and Paris, so I can actually see it. So tomorrow we'll be doing something. I'll probably get gas, get this fire back up, make sure that was actually what was going on, and then kind of go from there. So there's work to do on everything. I just got to do it. Got to get motivated. But yeah, guys, I hope you have a great night. Happy Monday, and I'll talk at you soon. We'll be back tomorrow with more content and see what kind of craziness we can get into. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe to the channel.